Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope everybody is doing well. I have got a little bit of an unboxing to do. I don't normally do a lot of unboxings because I don't try, well particularly this year I'm trying not to buy too much. But I saw this advertised and it's actually an Australian subscription, which kind of is unusual. So I thought I'd give it a try. It's the Paper Club and it says for stationery addicts, which pretty much sums me up. So it came in the mail. I'm really not sure what to expect. I'm hoping it's good because I've subscribed for 3 months. I figured to give something a fair go, I thought I'd give it the 3 months as opposed to just 1 month. Okay, now we've got here, what does it say? Brainstorm. The Paper Club team get together to brainstorm a new theme and items for your next stationery box. So they design, our in-house designers get to work creating a matching medley of stationery. Then your box is sent. Your new stationery box is packed and sent and is on its way to you. For every box we donate $1 to Oz Harvest, so every box sent provides 2 meals to people in need. Well, that's good. I kind of like that idea. So I'm not the only one benefiting. Makes me feel a little better. Okay, so it's like an envelope. And we have some tissue paper. Hang on, we might have to just pull the whole thing out. Okay, let's just get rid of the box. Sure, I can use that box for something too. Okay, let's have a look. Alrighty, what have we got? With kindness at heart, so it's a postcard. Great stationery is amazing. It can help us get organised, motivate us to act, and help us connect with others. But the greatest power of stationery, and the reason we created this club full of like-minded individuals, is because stationery makes us feel good. For this exciting box of stationery bliss, we really wanted to emphasise those feel-good emotions with pretty pastel colours, stationery items to encourage you to reach out and connect with others, and items you can keep just for yourself. So, let the positive messages on our happiness cards fill your world as you relax with some feel-good stationery and know that there is nothing you can't do. The Paper Club. Well, that's kind of nice. So we've got that. Alright, the Paper Club packed with love. Okay, so this is the contents of the box. I don't think I'll read all of that. Okay, I won't read all of that. Alright, what have we got? Let's have a look. Okay, this looks like sticky notes, and I do like sticky notes. I use a lot of sticky notes actually. Oh, this is pretty. Okay, yep, so it's a pad of sticky notes, some little dots, it's kind of nice. Alright, we've got here, includes designer envelope liner and sticker seal. Happy birthday, let's celebrate. So it's a birthday card, I think there's only one, and it's got a nice shiny envelope there. Let's have a look. Hopefully the glare from the envelope's not too painful. Right, let's just have a look. Okay, so we've got a sticker here, which I guess is the seal they're referring to. And, oh, the envelope. Okay, so the inside of the envelope's the silver, and the outside's that nice mint green. That's different. Okay, now I might just quickly pop that back in. Hopefully I can get it in without sticking the envelope to the plastic. Okay, so that goes in there. Alright, so that's a birthday card. And another birthday card. Okay, I won't open this one because it's obviously the same with the foil inside and the seal. So I've got 2 birthday cards. What are these? Happiness cards. Okay, so let's just slip this off. If I can, hang on, maybe I'll pull them out. Okay. Alright, okay, what is it? Happiness cards. Here at the Paper Club, we are always trying to spread a bit of happiness. These happiness cards are designed to add a bit of joy to your life and give you a way to share joy with others. Pop one in your wallet to make yourself smile. Find one that makes you think of a friend and share it with them, or create a random act of kindness and leave one for a stranger. Share the happiness today. Okay. Okay, I'm not sure what that says. Ecumanity? It's a noun. Calmness and composure, especially in a different situation or difficult situation. Okay. Resilient and kind. Give it time. Boss up and change your life. Oh dear. Keep on going. Keep on growing. With kindness at heart, so that's the same as the postcard. Alright, be bold, be the energy you want to attract. Self-love club. Here is my secret, a very simple secret. It is only with the heart that one can see rightly. What is essential is invisible to the eye. Oh, that's nice. Focus on the good. Oops, a daisy. There is magic in you. Your potential to succeed is infinite. Alright, I might not read. Oh, maybe I will. There's not too many. Reminder, don't be distracted by emotions like anger, envy, resentment. These just sap energy and waste time. True, but sometimes it's really hard to not do that. Perfection is unattainable. Don't I know it? Little things matter the most. Appreciation is a wonderful thing. It makes what is excellent in others belong to us as well. Don't let anyone dull your glow. There is so much power in staying true to yourself. We delight in the beauty of the butterfly, but rarely admit the changes it has gone through to achieve that beauty. Yeah, that's true, isn't it? When you really think about it. Okay, so they're really nice. And we have some trim. So I've got 3. Would be blue, not my favourite colour, but anyway, that's fine. I'll use it. And we have this, which I'm not sure. I think it's like sprinkle sandwiches, hundreds and thousands sandwiches, or fairy bread, that's what it's called. I guess you'd pop it on something as a dangle. And we have a notepad. So yep, notepad. And a pencil with an eraser, a rubber on the end. Want a freebie. To get your hands on a free gift valued over $5, simply visit our website at click survey at the bottom of the homepage and answer these questions, and we'll send you a free gift in the mail. How did you find out about us? I can't remember. I think it was the internet. Which stationery box did you buy? What age group did you buy the box for? What was their favourite item in the box and why? What other products would you like to see in our subscription boxes? Oh, okay. All right. Well, that was what was in the box. Not unhappy, certainly. And I will, I guess, be able to use all of those bits and pieces. So, yeah, I think I'm reasonably happy with it. I think I'd like to see some stickers in the box next time, but you know, I don't know what's going to be in next month, and I can't get this back on, so I might pop it that way. So yeah, look, I can't even remember how much it was now. I don't think it was massively expensive because I wouldn't have got it. It does have a price listed for all of the items on the box. I'm not sure if you'll be able to read that. Who knows whether that's accurate or not. Let me just have a quick scan. Does it say? Okay, $19.95 a month delivered. So $20 delivered. And apparently it has a combined retail value of over $50. Okay. Okay. Alright, well that was what I got in the Paper Club box. Look, as I said, I'm not unhappy with it. Oh, it actually says the Paper Club. You know, for $20, I think it was pretty good value. Okay. Well, thank you very much for joining me for this unboxing. I will do an unboxing of the next couple I get, just to show you. So if you are interested, I will leave the link below. And as I said, it is an Australian one, so that's always nice for us Australians, because any of the other ones from overseas are just so expensive with the postage. So that's why I thought I'd give this one a try. Alright, what I might do on the end of this video, I have taken some footage recently of a walk I went on with just to a local park, but the reason I did it was the autumn leaves, the colours of the leaves were absolutely spectacular. So I tried to capture some of them on film or my camera. So I will include that at the end with some music. So if you're interested, sit back and enjoy it. And thank you very much for joining me once again. Bye for now.